Hello and welcome guys to another video, and today I will show you how to use C and C++ in VS Code. So first of all, you have to go on any of your browsers, that may be Microsoft Edge or Chrome, and you have to go to the Visual Studio Code. You have to download the Visual Studio Code. First of all, I have given the link in the description. So first of all, you have to download the VS Code. I use the Windows, so that's why I'm downloading it for Windows. So here we go. It has started to download. It is of about 94.9 MB. It will take some time. If your internet connection is really very good, it will be really very quick, and you won't even understand when it is downloaded. But my internet connection takes time, large amount of time. We have to wait. Most probably I will edit it out, but still, whatever. So yes, after it is downloaded, go to the downloads. Here you have to install it. It is just the application. It is just like the installer, so you have to install it first of all. It will take some time on my PC. I will edit it out anyways. So yes, I accept the agreement. Next, yeah, next. Select additional tasks, that is add open with code action to Windows Explorer. It is not an important one. If you have to create a desktop icon of it, you can. I'm selecting yes. It's all your wish. So install, preparing to install. It will take some time. You just have to wait. So here we go, it is installed. We'll just finish it, and now open the application of VS Code. Now as you can see, the application has been opened. You can select your themes. You can keep it dark, you can keep it light, you can keep it modern or high contrast. It's all up to you how you want to design your own themes. So first of all, you can also create some files where you can store all your codes which you are doing. So first of all, you can create your own files here, and you can save these codes which you are writing in the VS Code. For example, let's just take in the documents, I am creating a file. Some folder named gh. Then I am going back to the VS Code. I am going to open the folder here, which is in the documents. Select the folder, and now I am opening this folder where you can add some of your files. Yes, I trust the authors, whatever. So I am here making some new files because I have to code in. I'm making a new file because I have to code in C, so you have to give an extension by .c, and here we go, the file has been created. Now this is you can create this all, but this is not it, because there will be many more problems. Because if you will go to code here, for example, I am writing a code in C. So here is a simple code for C, and if I try to go and run it, there might be a problem. As I go here, there is no code runner, there is nothing, you can't even run your code. So that's why you have to first of all download some extensions. Where you can go is here's the last one, something, the extensions, the last block. Here you have to search for some extensions, and you have to download them. First of all, it is the C++ extension, which you can search it, or it will just show you here. That is by Microsoft, which is by Microsoft. You have to download that one only. There may be many more extensions of C++, but this is the main one, I must say, because Microsoft is the most trusted one at last. So while it is installing, you have to download this one, and also another extension which is run folder, because you have to run your code. So this one by June Han, you have to download this one because this is, I guess, the most famous one, I guess. But this is the most trusted one. which has a symbol like .run. So these two extensions are necessary, and after you have downloaded these two extensions, okay, so it is done. So after this, both of these extensions have been installed, you can go back to your file, and now after you save this code, and if you will go and try to run it, right, yes, so first of all it will try to run it in output. Now you have to try it to run it on terminal, so you have to also do some changes in the settings. You have to go here in the settings, then in settings, then sorry, I was still. So you have to go in the settings, and here you will find this run code configuration, and then you have to tick this checkbox whether to run code in integrated terminal. You have to check this one, and after it is done you can go back, and now if you will try to run your code, it will run in terminal. So yes, as you can see, we are able to run the code in terminal, but here it is showing us an error, that is the GCC, the term GCC is not recognized as the name of CMDLT function, script file or operable program. So this, yeah, we have downloaded the extensions, we did tick the checkbox, but it will still throw you an error. So to sort out this, we will use another application which is named Mingw, which will help us to run these codes. So you can go on your browser again, search for Mingw, or I've already given you the link in description, so you can go there and download Mingw. I'm downloading it here. I haven't downloaded it earlier, so I have to download it here. It is a bit of lengthy process. It will take a bit amount of more time for you. Yes, install, my friend. Install. Yes, continue. It will take some time. I would have played some songs, but there's an issue of copyright, so nah, I'm not doing it. Anyways, I'm not gonna get any money, but still, whatever. Continue. So here we go, it is installed. Now, so after you have opened the Mingw, you have to go and select the GCC G++, because that is what is important for us right now. To go and select the GCC G++ one and mark it for installations, and after you go in installation, update the catalog, the changes, yes, apply, then it will start downloading some of the files. You have to wait again. Sorry, my bad. Which I'm downloading right now is the C++ compiler. There's also a C compiler, so we will download it later after this is completed. It is showing it what is installed and what's installing and that all. It is extracting, so just wait until you can use the close button again, so it will be like everything is been done. Okay, so done. We have downloaded the C++ compiler. Close it. Now you have to go and you have to now download the C compiler, installations, update the catalog, review changes and apply. It might take a bit lesser time than that for C++ compiler. Okay, so it is done. It is installing and extracting the files, and here we go. We close it. We close the application. Now the C and C++ compilers have been installed, downloaded and extracted. Now you have to go on your computer in the what we say the or in the C, local disk C, because that's where you stored the Mingw files. You have to go there, then you have to go in the bin, and you can, as you can see here, there is that GCC and G++ files. You can see many of them. So now you have to copy the address of this file. After you have copied the address, you have to go to the environment. You have to go here and type and search here environmental. environmental variable. As you can see here, we edit the system environment variables. You can see in this and open it in the settings. It might take some time for me because yeah, here we go. So you have to go and select your environment variables, and then you have to do nothing up here. You have to go below and you can see here something named path. You have to select the path. You have to go in edit and you can see there are some paths given here. You have to select the new, and now you copied the address of the file. You have to paste it here. As you can see, now you have shown the path to this file, so this compiler, so you can use it in the VSCode. So click OK, OK, and OK. So the work has been done here. You can go on your VSCode, cut it, try to run it again. It will still show some error, so it's not done here. So you have to go here and type and search again here, command prompt. You have to open your command prompt and type here G++ and enter. That's it. It will show fatal error, no input files, compilation terminated. So no worries, you will just so here we go. After you have closed the application, you will you have to restart the VS Code and now save this file. There is no errors. You are able to see the error here at the /include stdio.h. there was an error here, it was showing it. So now there is no errors, so we will be able to run this code, and as you can see it has printed the output, that is hello. If you smooth, and I guess that's it. That's it, how you can use VS Code with the help of Mingw compiler for C or C++. And I guess that's it for the video. If you have liked it, you can like it. You can give a like if you want, it's all on you. You can subscribe if you want, it's all on you again. And so that's it for the video. I'm really thankful that it was helpful to you, and that's it for the video. I will see you in the next one.